exclusive Shiba Inu Metaverse news, and we're going to talk about it in this video, guys, and talk about what it means for the future of SHIB. Remember William Volk? William Volk, of course, joined the squad not too long ago. He says the Metaverse is set to have, quote, excellent activities. We're going to dive into that a little bit deeper, talk about what that could mean here for the SHIB Army. Of course, the Metaverse, a big deal, not as big of a deal as Shibarium, in my opinion. Well, I guess it's kind of like this. One thing before the other, right? We need Shibarium in order to have the Metaverse. At least that is kind of where we are right now, and Shibarium's slowly being worked out. It could be all the way worked out. Maybe they're just sitting on it, wanting to launch it as the market comes back. Who knows, right? But the Metaverse has been in slow development for a little while now. We are seeing slowly but surely Marcy Jastrow and company reveal different parts of the Shib Metaverse. They had a fantastic showing out in Austin, Texas, at South by Southwest. Now, let's dive into some of the specifics here. And it says here, Shiba Inu's Shib Metaverse's Ryoshi Plaza may be the coolest thing ever. This is coming from William Volk. This tweet was out there by Crypto Trends. And the team, of course, has been updating users and the community members regularly on social media and via blog posts about the current state of affairs. Recently, glimpses of the Rocket Pond, the Ryoshi Plaza, and Game Builder were all revealed. And William Volk, the alpha director at Shiba Inu Games, recently claimed that the Shib Metaverse is perhaps the, quote, coolest thing he has ever been involved with. Further elaborating on the same, Volk exclusively told Watcher Guru this: while the just-released Rocket Pond trailer shows AAA level visual quality of the Shib Metaverse, the inspiring thing for me, as a longtime video game designer and producer, is the quality of the interactivity in this Metaverse that's being built. Now, I've long been saying that this opportunity that Shiba Inu has, Marcy Jastrow and company, William Volk, the opportunity they have is so massive because Shib is the largest market cap crypto working on a metaverse right now. ApeCoin's out there building out their other side. There are some other ones out there, right? Sandbox, Decentraland, some of the OGs in the space, Zilliqa. But Shiba Inu, if they can knock this out of the park, this alone will bring people into the SHIB ecosystem. This alone. Of course, gaming combined with the metaverse, I mean, look out, right? Look out. Massive, massive opportunity. Now, moving forward, Volk reveals what to expect from the SHIB Metaverse a little bit, and this was reported recently. The Metaverse has undergone significant alteration to give consumers a more lifelike experience. In fact, the team has also modified its previous development and has been creating new hubs from the new foundation, shedding light on what to expect from SHIB, the Metaverse. Volk said, not only will there be excellent activities, but there will also be quality game experiences that match the level of our visuals. Furthermore, Volk told Watcher Guru the team has, quote, looked at the existing metaverses out there. In retrospect, they intend to meet the expectations of gamers and metaverse fans. He exclaimed, it's going to be wonderful to see it all unfold. I am super pumped because you guys know how I feel about the future of gaming alone, the future of metaverse, huge opportunities. SHIB has built this massive following, this massive coalition of army members, and now they're going to be rolling out their largest utilities, and they're hitting it right in stride, right when the metaverse and gaming are coming to fruition, right? So I think it's going to be timed up perfectly here. And it says Ryoshi Plaza expected to be the beating heart of SHIB, the metaverse. Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastrow recently emphasized that this part of the metaverse is quite special and will not be unveiled until it is perfect. In fact, a lot of time will be spent paying homage to Ryoshi, the vision, and the SHIB Army. So we'll be keeping tabs on this as always, but this even gets me more excited just seeing how excited William Volk is. You know, here's the thing about William Volk. He's worked on some unbelievably fantastic projects. He's done some great things in the video game space in his day. The fact that he is more excited than ever, I think, bodes extremely well for the future of the metaverse and the future of Shiba Inu gaming as well. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Let me know how you guys feel about this as well down below in the comments section. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you. Bye.